So we've got here the main entrance where you get dropped off and taken back to your airport for the hotel. Let's get through all the traffic. Slightly busy today. Here's the main reception where you check in, check out. It's awfully busy inside today because the weather's not overly great, but so it's overly busy. Down to the left of the thing is the spa. That's where you get also your towels and bits and pieces as well, and you can do fish therapy, etc. here. A few shops along the way, souvenir shops, clothes shops, etc. Just along here you have the main lobby, and behind that, so there's more souvenir shops. Behind that you have the main lobby bar, and you have the photography place for the professional photographers, and here's the main lobby bar just in there. As you go outside, you have the main pool just here. Walking through, you have the main restaurant just over here. I won't go through it because it is quite busy in there. So this is the main pool. Got the music, as you can see here. There is an upstairs to the restaurant if you want to go eat up there, which is just up here. Block D just here. These are two a la carte restaurants that you can book if you want to. Just there, and over here, sushi bar. You have a main barbecue area just here, and a buffet restaurant for outside just here. Just inside this building there's a pub with DJ of an evening. Cinema there with a couple of films that have on each day. Here is the kids club, kids park, and they do waffles and bits and pieces here, and some awesome jacket potatoes, which are great. Just over the other side to here is the heated pool. Little handmade souvenir shop. Game zone. Arcade style machines just in there. This is F block. This is the bistro bar. Tulip Bistro here is a 24-hour restaurant. Again, I won't go in there. This is blocks G to H, just through here. Inside here you have a pool table, foosball table. As I say, it's very busy inside today because the weather's a bit rubbish outside, so everyone's inside. We have a bar just here, and then tucked away in the back you have a patisserie with all lovely cakes just across the back there. There is another reception desk just there, but I've not really seen it used. And down there's another pool table and foosball table. This is the outside seating area for the bistro restaurant.
That's crazy.
So this is the heated pool, as you can see. Plenty of sunbeds, but today there's loads of sunbeds available. But there is, when it's really nice and warm, there is a bit of a fight for the sunbed, so also probably just getting up early and grabbing yourself a sunbed. They don't take your towels away here, which is great. All the blocks are the tower type blocks, as you can see around. As we come back round, this is the back of the slides. Again, more sunbeds. Plenty of sunbeds around, absolutely tons of them. This is the water slides. Just here, I'll go have a look at them properly in a second, once we get in front of it. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 water slides of different variety of levels. And you have a smaller, really small kids pool just here if you wish, that is undercover in the summer months. You have a couple of table tennis tables here that you can play. There's a main stage here, which is the nightly entertainment and the kids' entertainment of a night time, just here. Plenty more sunbeds next to the main pool. Over by here you have the pool bar and buffet little restaurant snack bar here, just over across the back there for all your snacks. Again, that's part of the main pool just here. Bit of a photo opportunity, and if you're that way inclined, they do have a gym here if you wish to do so. But going back round, it's back to the main entrance. Plenty of seating areas, and you can go to the beach via here. You don't have to go through the building, and the beach is just across the road, just over there, and about 200 meters up the road. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers, bye bye.